Hello everyone, today we will be looking at the Wacom Intuos drawing tablet, an excellent starting point for people interested in drawing on computer. Here on the table, we have two versions of the tablet. The difference between the two, the one on the right has a Bluetooth capability, while the one on the left does not. First, we will take a look at what you get out of the box, and then we will go through the steps required to get it up and running on your computer. Let's begin. So here we have everything that's in the box. This is the warranty card, nothing much to explain here. This is the manual pamphlet that contains more detailed information on your tablet. You can read it in your own time. This is the drawing tablet. Hardware-wise, there should be 4 hotkeys on top, a USB slot for your USB cable, and a dotted grid on the surface of the tablet. The dotted grid represents your screen, meaning when you move your stylus across the tablet, it should also move your mouse across your screen. This is your stylus. It is shaped like a pencil, so you should use it as such. In the center, there are 2 keys. One represents the left mouse button and the other one the right. And finally, this is your standard USB cable. Nothing really extra to note about it. And this is how you set up your tablet for use with your computer. It's very simple. All you need to do is take the smaller end of your USB cable and plug it into your tablet like so. And then take the other end of your USB cable and insert it into the computer's USB slot.